My name's Daniel. I'm making a video every day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. On this episode, I'm going to show you how to get a spark plug in a tight place. I've got a great trick for you if you have headers and there's a spark plug that's really hard to access. This will help you get it in. We're going to demonstrate on this small block Chevy 350 I have. It's not a great example because it's pretty easy to get into these, but the flip side of that is I'll be able to show you how it works a little bit easier. You'll be able to see what's going on. I typically encounter headers, basically mopars especially. The tube will run right here and you can't get under it because the inner fender is right here. So you can only get through here and there's not enough room to take your little fingers and thread the spark plug on. It's just not possible. You can crack the spark plug loose. You can get a socket in there and get it on and then use a wrench on it, but you can't get your fingers in there to actually thread the spark plug in. So I've got a great trick for you. Let's go over to the bench. I'll show it there real quick and then we'll show it on the engine. So here's the trick. You need some tube. You could either take some thin tube like this and put it right over the metal part there, and it'll twist on with that. This is pretty flexible. Or you can use a thicker tube. It's a little bit more rigid typically, and that goes over this white part. And basically what you can do is, let's say you're trying to go around the header or something, you can spin it and it'll ride up against the header and you can thread the spark plug in. Once you get it to start, it'll thread right in. You can thread it in all the way, put your socket on here, put a wrench on the socket and give it a little tighten up and you're done. All right, let's see it in action. So remember that tip for your next spark plug change, especially if you have headers. It'll help you a lot, save you a bunch of time. I have to do it every single time on my 318 and my Dart. It's just really hard to get to one of those plugs. So saves me about half an hour. That's what it took the first time I did it. Now it takes about like 5 minutes to do all the plugs. So keep that trick in your back pocket. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. That helps me grow the channel. I'm making a video every day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. Check out my video on why I'm doing that here. And check out all my other videos. I love doing cool stuff. And I will see you guys tomorrow.